Hello guys, don't mind Linus Teps it's playing in the background because I've been watching him earlier. So as you can see here, what's this? Is that a Ryzen under there? Answer is no, it's not a Ryzen. This is in fact a AMD A6 with an A320M A Pro from MSI. And so basically, what is this? Why do you have another PC? Well, why do you have new parts in your old case from your FX4100 build? That's because I bought these parts off my friend for £50, and thank you so much. I will link you down below for letting me do this. Well, letting me buy these parts off you. I bought this Brave Stealth cooler off him. I bought the AMD A6 off him, which I'm going to update the BIOS when I get the new RAM. And I don't know why I'm spinning this fan here. Just don't bother. So the board, the CPU, and the cooler I bought off my friend for £50. Used. The thing was being badly hammered, and the cooler this thing had before wasn't really that great. So what I did is that when I bought this with the board and CPU, I just shoved that fan. Well, the Ryzen AMD Ryzen Wraith Stealth, and just shoved it on the board. Well, shoved it on the A6, and it does a good job at cooling it. Because I remember when I had a RAM in this thing, well, my friend's RAM, this thing kept it cool, and it did a good job at it. So that's staying on there. I bought that off him. There's a fan at the front I bought off him. And I'm going to power this up, even though there's no RAM, and show you what it looks like when it turns on. So this is what we're dealing with. We have a RGB fan at the front, from his heatsink actually, and there's a very good reason why. So basically, the reason why there is only... One sec, let me actually take this front off. There we go. There's a reason why this fan is here. So obviously this came off his heatsink fan, and obviously three fans was not going to be energy efficient, I should say, because there were 3 fans, and 2 fans was just going to work as well. So what I've done, I pulled this fan off. He said I could keep it, so I did. Actually, I got £50 for that. CPU board and RAM, and well, not CPU board and RAM, I mean CPU board and CPU, I meant, sorry. And chuck this fan at the front, as you can see here. Very fast fan, by the way, blows a lot of air. Feels like a server fan, it spins that fast. This fan, oh, that actually hurts. Got the board there, you can see. But yeah, there's loads of things I'm going to do with this, and I've got ideas. I got third gen Ryzen to work on another A320M board he has, which is a ASRock A320M HDV revision 4.0. I actually have the box right there. It's an ASRock A320M HDV revision 4.0 with support for the A series and obviously the A series, Ryzen and F1. So we agreed, we got the board, updated his BIOS to the latest BIOS, put his Ryzen in it, and just went off. So there you go, that's the story of his system. This is now the beginning of the story of my AM4 system. And I will see you guys next time when I give this thing an upgrade. So, see you later. And welcome to the official story of the AM4 system.